Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by stopping Safari from syncing through iCloud. On your iPhone or iPad, open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. Once there, find Safari and toggle it off. This severs the automatic history sharing. Do the same on your Mac via System Settings, Apple ID iCloud, and uncheck Safari. Make sure you repeat this on every device that shares your Apple ID so history no longer replicates across them. Once iCloud sync is off, clean up existing traces locally. On iPhone or iPad, go to Settings Safari and choose Clear History and Website Data to remove synced entries already stored. On a Mac, open Safari Preferences, Privacy, then manage website data to delete cookies and cached items. Also consider using private browsing windows or creating separate Mac OS user accounts for distinct histories. These measures prevent future mixing and give you clearer separation between personal and other browsing. Finish by verifying changes and resolving stubborn sync. Restart each device after toggling iCloud Safari off so settings fully apply. If history still appears, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, or disable Safari and iCloud again. Sometimes the cloud needs a refresh. Make sure you're not using multiple Apple ID or family sharing features that could reintroduce shared data. If one device still syncs, inspect that device's Apple ID and privacy settings to locate and stop the source.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.